Last week, almost rupees 4 lakh crores was wiped out from the Indian stock market. But by Friday, half of it came back. The question is, what's next for the Indian investors? So in this video, I will cover 5 sectors which you should look for the next week, 2 sectors to avoid, and key trigger point for the next week. Hello everyone, I'm Sakshi Akwar, I'm feed assister, and please note that there is no buy or sell recommendations, and this video is only for educational purpose. So on Sunday, our PM Narendra Modi gave a speech. He told 3 main points: to avoid traveling to work and do more of work from home in order to reduce fuel consumption, to avoid foreign travel for a year, and also not to buy gold for a year. This is the main reason why on Monday the Nifty went 360 points down. So let's discuss 5 sectors which can move next week. The first sector which I am bullish is on Nifty Pharma. So this is because of 2 main reasons. Pharma is an export-oriented industry, so an increase in the dollar and weakening of the rupee leads to an increase in the sector. So rupee now has reached all-time low levels of 96. So that's an advantage for the sector. So overall, we can see it has formed higher highs and trading around all-time high levels. So 2 stocks that I am bullish on within this sector is Sun Pharma. We can see that Sun Pharma has given a good breakout, a good trend line breakout, and is currently trading around 1800 levels. The next stock which I am bullish upon is the Mankind Pharma. We can see how beautifully it has given a breakout on Friday. So the next resistance for this stocks is around 2700 levels. The second sector which outperformed Nifty 50 is Nifty Metals. So when Narendra Modi announced that not to buy gold for a year, it also hiked the import duties, and because of this reason, gold and silver rose last week. Also, we can see its direct effect on metals. We can see that Nifty metals again make a higher high but fell on Friday. If we look at the stocks of these sectors, then one of the most bullish looking stock right now is Vedanta Limited. So we can see how beautiful this chart is of Vedanta Limited, higher highs every week. If we look at the daily chart, then we can see it broke and reached 52-week high levels. So we can say, yes, there is bullish momentum in this stock as well as in the sector overall. So the third sector which is looking good is the FMCG sector. This is another defensive bet. So when the market don't perform, FMCG perform. So when we look at the charts of FMCG, it is at the bottom. If we look at the stocks like Varun Beverages, we can see it has given a good breakout of the trend line. Also, if we look at the chart of Hindustan Unilever, then we can see it is currently forming a flag pattern. So actually a cup and handle pattern, and the breakout of this would lead to its move to around 2400 levels. The fourth sector which I am bullish on is the Nifty defense sector. We can see defense is trading above its 20 simple moving average level of 9000 levels. So overall it is bullish. The stocks which are looking good in this sector is the Shipping Corporation of India. It is trading above its 20 moving average of 312. Overall, we can see that it has making higher highs, and we are expecting to trade around 360 levels. The next stock is the Massicon Dock Shipbuilders. Currently, it is trading at its support levels of 2,460 levels. We are expecting this stock to move around 2,630 levels. The fifth sector, which is looking quite good, is the Nifty energy sector. So we can see that Nifty energy is currently trading around its 20 moving average levels of 40,200 level. And one stock which is looking very nice in the sector is the All India. So All India has a positive effect of the increase in the prices of the crude oil. Right now, the oil prices is trading above $100 per barrel, and this has a positive effect. So we can see that it has given a green breakout and it is trading at all-time high levels. So yes, expecting a bullish momentum in this stock. The three triggers to watch for next week. So we can see from the news that Narendra Modi is on a tour. Its meeting in Norway is a very important one as Norway is full of resources, especially energy resources. So any trade deal made between these two countries will affect this sector and all other sectors discussed in this video. Also, rupees trading at all-time low levels of 96. An increase or decrease in the price of rupee will affect our economy as well as the markets. The third factor is the crude oil. Crude oil has increased this week and trading above $100. So if the war between the Iran and US doesn't stop, then we can expect the crude oil prices to move more. So if you are an SIP investor, keep your SIPs running. And if you are new in this journey, then you can ask me for any help. I'm Amphi Resistor and thank you for watching.